Stampers, it's Meg from LovenStamps, and I am coming to you early this morning because our dog has a vet appointment. She actually, if you've seen Pepper, she's the black floofy dog. She had her Halloween costume Wonder Woman on my page the other day, but she has a chiropractor, and it sounds a little silly, but it is a game changer. It's wonderful. So anyway, Pepper has to go to the chiropractor later this morning, so I had to tune in a little early today. So hi, Lane. All right, so today's project is going to be a bookmark. I know I said yesterday I was going to show you the candy cane project. We're going to do candy canes tomorrow because I haven't been to Walgreens yet to get my candy canes for this year. Hey Deb, hey Melinda. And so yeah, I can't show you the candy cane one until I have candy canes. But today's project is fabulous and it's like the candy cane one. I actually got a message from a stamper yesterday, Tanya, who said she really wanted to see some bookmark ideas. And I totally agree, bookmarks are fabulous because they are easy to make. They don't use a ton of supplies. You can put a ton of them together in a short period of time by mixing and matching. And they're great, right? They're something that someone will hold on to and keep handy and use all year long, whether they are a reader, a book lover, or a person who keeps a notebook with lists and things like that. They're a great gift. So, all right, the technique I'm going to show you, I showed a sneak peek this morning, is a shaker card technique. And I looked it up in 2017 on my blog. I showed a shaker card when we had an ice cream stamp set, which, sneak peek alert, there's a new ice cream set coming in the January to June catalog. Anyway, I did a card shaker technique where we use a clear envelope, one of the Stampin' Up! Clear envelopes, to be like the mechanism of the shaker. So this weekend On Stage, Rosemary Gonzalez pulled that out and showed another ice cream shaker card that was really cool. And so I decided we're gonna use it on our bookmark today. So you guys ready to get stamping? Let's get you, woo! Well, that was not ideal. This is what happens when your phone has a pop socket that you are not super fond of. Okay, so today's card, I'll get this turned around for you here, uses the Triangle Stamp Set, which is what I'm featuring this month for the LovenStamps card kits to go, which are the tutorials that you get when you place an order in my online store this month, any size. And you also get 2 card kits ready to go, ready to stamp. Just add your stamps and ink if your order is $50 or more. So make sure you use a hostess code for that so that I know that that's what you'd like to do. And let's get our guts here. So we have a piece of the green foil sheets. They come red and green in a package. They are beautiful, and you'll see lots more projects from me this month with them. And then I have a clear envelope, which I realize isn't the easiest thing to see, but I've just taken my trimmer and chopped it in half, okay? So this piece of foil paper here is gonna go inside, and then my envelope is the edging, or around it. Now the paper here for our layer is 2 inches wide because you know how much I love tag topper punches. I am going to flip this over to the back here and make sure that it's lined up the way I want it because my paper is just a teeny titch narrower than 2 inches. There we go. All right, so I have my mat here, which means that my green foil paper is 1 3/4 inches wide. I think it's 5 inches. Yep, 5 inches long, okay? So this is 2 by 6, this is 1 3/4 by 5. So to make our shaker card, what you wanna do is you're going to basically make a little pocket here out of the envelope. And the easiest, now, if I put my shaker stuff in here and then I put the adhesive on the back and fold it, then only the back pocket will be stuck down and my front will still be open. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to put a little slit in the bottom here just to make my life a little easier. When I did my sample, I didn't do it this way. I'm gonna fold, feel like I'm sewing something, fold your zipper lining out of the way, and then I'm going to go ahead and trim away the back line, okay? So now I have a front edge that sticks over that I can fold around and adhere like this so that it'll keep my packet shut. The top, I'm just gonna use the lining here, the sticky that's there, and instead of folding it right here where I normally would, I'm gonna fold it all the way down and seal it to itself right there, okay? Then I'm going to, you know what, I need to trim away a little bit of this here, or we won't be stuck down. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I just trimmed away the edge piece of the envelope topper that's right here. And then I'm gonna load up my stuff. So these are the sprinkles for everything, or something like that. Let's see, I don't have my box. They are called, yeah, sequins for everything, and they are so much fun. I have some project ideas also coming with these. They're part of the bundle that I put together, and you know what? You can put as much sprinkly fun in there as you'd like. There are a ton of sprinkles in this little packet, and you're not gonna run out. So, all right, so I've got my sprinkles in there, and then what I'm gonna do, and just to make it easy to see, I'm gonna show you the tear tape. Now remember this whole time that you are, your sprinkles are open to the world. So when I made my sample, I was so excited to do this that then I flipped the whole thing over and poured sprinkles all on the floor because I couldn't wait to turn it over, but I forgot that the pouch was still open. So, okay, see where we're at here? So I have sprinkles on this side. I've made a little small envelope, and then I'm just going to adhere that there to the back. And so now I have a little shaker, okay? Now you wanna make it tight enough that the sprinkles can't get around to the back side where you'll lose them, but you wanna make it loose enough that your sprinkles are pretty easy to move in there. All right, so now I have my shaker here ready to go down. Oh, before I do that, I'm actually gonna change it up. I don't wanna cover too much of my sprinkles, but I still wanna have a greeting inside. So I'm gonna take my Joy and Cheer here from the triangle stamp set, which is super cute. These triangle pieces are such a cute sleeper item, I think. So, and then I'm gonna take my trimmer and I'm going to, let's see, trim that down, and then I'm gonna trim the edge. And if you haven't, oh no, I'm not gonna trim the edge. Don't trim the edge. Almost caught that there, because what I'm gonna do is I am going to pop this down, and these things are pieces that are gonna be used like in real life. So I'm gonna make sure that I put everything together with my Seal Plus. And if you wanna make sure it's straight, you know I love my grid paper, line your bookmark on the grid paper and then line up your greeting piece also on the grid paper so that you know you have a straight run there. Then I'm gonna pull my shaker back in, play with it a little more, and I'm going to place this on top, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use my Seal Plus, and I'm gonna go a little bit crazy and do all the way here. Now, I learned a trick on Seal Plus that I'm gonna try and show you. And if you find that you're always having to forward it with your finger because the adhesive isn't ready, when you get to the end, watch the way my wrist moves and the seal moves. I'm gonna push it around like that. And what it does, so here's the side view. Pull, 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 wait, which, there. Okay, pull, 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 and then push it around that way. So what that's gonna do is it's gonna make the next bit of seal ready for me to use, and also break the adhesive train right there, okay? So try that if you have found that it's an issue for you. All right. So we're coming together. Here is our shaker bookmark. We need some extra embellishments. We've got a good greeting on there. Now the trees I'm gonna grab are from Triangle, this one, and I have die cut with my fabulous triangle, right? Stitch Triangles dies. I do love these, and they're in the regular catalog. This is in the holiday catalog. So I'm going to place these on here. And you know, normally I would put dimensionals on everything, but since it's a bookmark, I think we'll keep it a little flatter than otherwise might choose. And I'm gonna pop some, oh, I forgot to do my push thing, remember? So I'm gonna forward a bit here. Okay, and then I'm going to, there you go, rock it around. All right, and then my little tree is going to overlap here like that. Okay, So we have most of our bookmark done. We have a fun shaker that will be just fun to play with every time someone opens their book. And then we need a ribbon for it. And the ribbon I'm gonna use is from the Pear, the Wonder of the Season ribbon, which is this woven that I absolutely adore, and showed a bookmark for you a couple of weeks ago, actually, with the Wonder of ribbon. If you missed that one, let me pull it out. It was this project, if this looks at all familiar, and then it has a different kind of bookmark, the ribbon one. So the ribbon goes into your book, and then this sits out here on the front. So a fun project. So that one is posted already, so you can check that out. All right, I'm gonna cut myself a generous amount of ribbon here. I'm going to double it up. When you have ribbon that's so fine like this, you're better off often to double it rather than just using it singly. I don't know if you heard the big doggy sigh over there. She's really excited to go to the chiropractor. Quite literally, she loves going. So, all right. But you're always better to double it up because it just gives it more oomph, okay? And then I'm gonna clip that end. And there we have our fun shaker bookmark with our sequins inside and the great clear envelope technique. So if you don't have any of these Stampin' Up! Clear envelopes, I highly recommend them. I use them for lots of different things. They even make cute gift packaging. So if I was gonna give somebody one of these, which we did last week on another holiday helper video, you could take a clear envelope, you could put this in it, you could fold it around the back, and it's like an instant self-sealing cello bag for your little treats. So definitely grab some of those transparent envelopes on your next, they're the medium transparent envelopes, I think. Anyway, grab those on your next order because they're super handy to have. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this morning. Make sure you like, love, comment, share, all those fun things. If your dog also has a chiropractor, let me know. If you have any questions about that, let me tell me, and I'd be happy to tell you more about it. She is pretty amazing. So, all right, you guys have a wonderful day, and I don't know if I can put this back up here. There we go. Okay, you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow for Holiday Helper. Tomorrow, as long as I get the candy canes today, tomorrow we'll be talking about those candy cane treats. So happy stamping, and thank you guys for tuning in. Bye, guys.